Alright guys, today I'm doing a recipe. As you can see, I have some greens. I'm going to have some chicken breast here. I'm going to put it in the Instant Pot. I'm going to sear it. I'm going to season it, and then add rice to it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, here it goes right here. The chickens are all ready to go. As you can see, I added extra garlic, cloves in there, fully seasoned. What you see in the liquid here is water. So we're going to cook it up in the saute function on the Instant Pot right there. And then once that's cooked, I'm going to put in the carrots, I'll put in my cauliflower, and then hit the rice button, add rice to it. Make sure the rice is totally submerged in water, and then be right back. Stay tuned. Alright, so the vegetables are in there. Now I'm just going to add the rice, add water, and then hit the rice button. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, here it is, all done. It looks fabulous. It smells really good, very aromatic, and you can see the rice is perfectly cooked. As long as you cook it when all the rice is submerged, it'll turn out really good. So let's do a quick taste test. Grab my spoon here for the rice. So as you can see, the meat just flakes right off. Let's do a quick taste test. That is really good, guys. The meat is so tender. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.